Come with me to prepare the best yam potato porridge in town. You will start by prepping your ingredients so that you will not start running helter-skelter in the kitchen and at the end of the day burn your onions. What? Don't judge me, I'm allowed to burn my onions. And one thing I always recommend is to immediately clean up after every mess you've made. So we start by heating up our palm oil because it has slept soon. Then we get the palm oil flowing on the fire. We add our onions, we add our iru and pomo. Get your crayfish in there, add your pepper, and finally your fish of any choice. Then you let all that fry together for a while. Add your water, not too much, and your preferred seasoning and spices. Personally, I like my food being a bit spicy, so after adding atagigun, I'll add Cameroon pepper. Finally, we add our washed yam and potato and we let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you add your plantain and vegetable of any choice. Personally, I use ugu, but you can substitute that for any vegetable of your choice. Let it steam for a while and this is the result you get. Just wow, that looks good. I decided to share with my friends and trust me, I didn't see these reactions coming. Of course, I had to taste what I made and damn was it good. If you want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next one.